I leave Quartzsite, I have to check out the big tent. We'll go back inside there and see what we can find. Let's see, one of the booths that attracted me here is the custom license plate frames in 5 minutes. And I'm getting a couple of them made up. It's $25 for one, $45 for two, so hey, might as well while I'm here. Okay, so outside the big tent, I think there's not enough vendors in there. There's more outside here. Now, if you want to tour RVs, there's a bazillion of them. Solar, comfy chairs, you name it, it's probably here somewhere. Alright, that's enough of the big tent. Looking at all kinds of RV stuff that mostly I'm not going to use. So I'm going to get back on the road, get out of the craziness here for a while, away from people. So, see you down the road, YouTube. Good day to leave Quartzsite. It's starting to rain. Off to Parker. Well, there's my new custom license plate holder I got in the big tent. Just a little something. Why not? Well, that's going to end. You know, I've left Quartzsite and I'm headed north up to Lake Havishau. There's a balloon festival that didn't take place because of the high winds, so I'm getting there later than that anyway. But there's some stuff I want to do up here, and so see you later, YouTube.